Tammy Slaton, the reality TV star known for her role on TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters, has once again captured headlines and hearts as she takes a major step forward in her personal life. After years of struggling with health issues, emotional battles, and a highly publicized journey towards self-love and transformation, Tammy is finally embracing a new chapter, one filled with emotional growth, vulnerability, and love. The Kentucky native, who has been a mainstay of the show since its debut in 2020, is stepping confidently into a more emotionally intimate and fulfilling space, and her fans are here for it. Her journey has always been deeply personal, layered with moments of triumph, setbacks, and redemption, but her latest move has inspired a wave of hope and positivity among viewers who have followed her story for years. Tammy's romantic life has often been a topic of fascination and concern among fans. From tumultuous online relationships to heartbreaks and red flags, her search for companionship has mirrored many of the struggles that come with fame, body image issues, and emotional vulnerability. For years, audiences watched her enter relationships that raised questions about emotional support, authenticity, and true connection. Yet, through it all, Tammy remained hopeful that she would eventually find someone who loved her genuinely, not for fame or attention, but for who she truly is. Now, it appears that day has come. In a series of recent social media posts and interviews, Tammy has begun to open up about the new love in her life, someone she describes as patient, kind, and incredibly supportive. While she has chosen not to reveal too many details about her partner, citing a desire to keep certain aspects of her life private and sacred, she hasn't shied away from expressing her happiness. "This feels different," she told fans during a candid live stream. "This is the first time I've felt truly seen, truly understood. He doesn't just love me for the TV stuff, he loves me for me." This statement alone carries weight, especially given Tammy's complicated history in the public eye. Throughout her time on 1000 LB Sisters, viewers have witnessed her struggle with deep-seated issues related to self-esteem, dependency, and mistrust. Her previous relationships were often marred by concerns from both fans and family, especially her sister Amy, who frequently worried that Tammy was being taken advantage of by people who didn't have her best interests at heart. But this time, Amy has expressed cautious optimism. "Tammy is happier than I've seen her in a long time," she shared in a recent episode. "She's glowing. That's gotta mean something." Tammy's glow is undeniable. With her dramatic weight loss following a successful stint in a rehabilitation facility and ongoing commitment to her health, she is not only physically transforming but emotionally evolving. Her latest relationship seems to reflect this newfound clarity. No longer chasing approval or attention, Tammy appears grounded in her decisions and is prioritizing emotional connection over superficial attraction. She has also emphasized the importance of taking things slow and being honest about her needs and boundaries, an approach she admits is new for her. "I used to jump in headfirst, just craving that love, that validation," she admitted during a recent confessional on the show. "But I've learned it's okay to take your time. It's okay to ask for what you need. I'm not perfect, and neither is he, but we're learning together. That's what matters." Tammy's openness about the emotional intricacies of her relationship marks a notable shift in her public persona. Previously known for her guarded nature and explosive outbursts, she is now showing signs of emotional intelligence, patience, and introspection. Fans have been quick to notice, flooding her comment sections with words of encouragement, praise, and even tears of joy. For many, Tammy represents the reality of struggle and the possibility of change. Seeing her find a semblance of peace and love is nothing short of inspirational, but not everything has been smooth sailing. With newfound love also comes criticism. Some social media users have questioned Tammy's motives, accusing her of using her relationship for publicity or attention. Others have voiced concern over the sincerity of her partner, questioning his intentions and highlighting the pattern of enabling behavior that has plagued Tammy in the past. Still, Tammy has stood firm, addressing the criticisms head-on. "I know people are gonna talk. That's just life," she said in an Instagram post. "But I'm not here to prove anything to anyone. I'm living my life, finally. And I deserve to be happy, just like anyone else." Supporters have applauded this statement, praising Tammy for her honesty and strength. It's a level of self-assurance that fans hadn't seen in her earlier seasons. Back then, Tammy often struggled to articulate her feelings, let alone defend her choices. Today, she is taking ownership of her narrative, rewriting it one decision at a time. And her relationship is just one piece of that puzzle. In recent months, Tammy and her partner have been spotted attending events, going on casual dates, and spending time with family, an encouraging sign that this relationship is not just for show. Their interactions seem genuine and grounded, built on a foundation of mutual respect and shared values. Tammy's partner has also reportedly bonded well with her family, including her sister Amy's children, suggesting that he's committed to being part of her broader life, not just her private world. One particularly heartwarming moment occurred during a family BBQ, where Tammy's partner was seen helping her move around with ease, carrying her chair and making sure she was comfortable without drawing unnecessary attention to himself. It's these small but significant gestures that have won over some of Tammy's more skeptical fans. "He treats her like a queen," one fan commented. "Not in a fake, showy way, but with real care. You can tell it's different." This level of support has been critical for Tammy, especially as she continues her weight loss and recovery journey. Maintaining health goals while nurturing a romantic relationship can be challenging for anyone, but Tammy has made it clear that her progress remains a top priority. She continues to attend regular medical appointments, stay active, and focus on mental well-being, all while balancing the emotional demands of a new relationship. Her doctors and therapists have reportedly applauded her for this balance, noting that emotional stability is often a key component in long-term recovery. Tammy is showing a level of resilience and commitment we hadn't seen before, one source close to the show noted. She's not just surviving, she's thriving. This evolution is also evident in her interactions with fans. Once overwhelmed by criticism and easily provoked by negative comments, Tammy now responds with poise, gratitude, and perspective. She's spoken candidly about therapy, mindfulness, and self-worth, topics that were once foreign to her public persona. "It's all about growth," she recently told a fan during a Q&A. "Every day, I try to be just a little bit better than the day before." Tammy's transformation, both emotional and physical, has not gone unnoticed by TLC either. Insiders have hinted that future seasons of 1000 LB Sisters may feature more intimate glimpses into her new relationship and personal growth. Producers are reportedly working closely with Tammy to ensure that her story is told with sensitivity and authenticity. Unlike past portrayals that often leaned into conflict and chaos, the new direction aims to highlight her resilience, determination, and joy. Of course, Tammy's journey is far from over. Relationships, like personal growth, require constant nurturing. Challenges will arise, both from within and from the outside world. But for now, Tammy is choosing happiness, and in doing so, inspiring thousands to believe in the power of second chances, self-worth, and the transformative nature of love. In a world where reality TV often reduces people to caricatures and clickbait, Tammy Slaton is rewriting the narrative. She is no longer just the 1000 LB sister. She is a woman rediscovering herself, embracing vulnerability, and finding love on her own terms. And as she continues to evolve, one thing is clear: her story is far from finished. It is, in many ways, just beginning. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.